If you are trying to create bottle mockup like this, please stop doing this. Instead, go to layer panel, hide your design layer, then select the background layer. Now go to select and click on subject. Then press Ctrl+J to make a copy of subject. Go to layer panel, visible the design layer and change the blend mode to multiply. Now right click and convert it into smart object. Right click again to create clipping mask. Then press Ctrl+T to transform, right click, select verb. Now go to verb options and choose cylinder. Now adjust all the points according to the bottle shape. Move this middle point to adjust the roundness. Press enter and have a look at before and after. If you want to change the design, just double click on the smart object layer. It's open a new window. Now go to file, click on place linked. Select your new design, click on place, then fit it into the canvas size. Now click on the right button or press enter. Close this window, click on yes to save changes in the smart object. Now you're done. Take a look at before and after. That's all guys. Do subscribe for more amazing tutorials. Thanks for watching.